German engineering has stood for accuracy, strength, and creativity, and nowhere does that shine more clearly than in hand tools. From precision knives to calibrated drivers, these tools are built to keep daily jobs quicker, safer, and far more efficient. In this overview, we present 10 exceptional German hand tools that blend clever design with solid performance, giving pros and hobbyists alike handle tasks with confidence and ease.
Keeping vehicles clean, efficient, and eco-friendly is easier with precision testing. The Vigor V7524 car exhaust gas tester is German-engineered to deliver accurate emission measurements, helping mechanics and car enthusiasts diagnose issues before they become costly problems. Simple to use, it connects quickly and displays clear readings for CO, CO2, and O2 levels, ensuring engines perform at their best. Built for durability, this tester withstands repeated use in workshops and garages without losing accuracy, making it a reliable companion for professional diagnostics. Compact yet powerful, it saves time, reduces frustration, and supports compliance with environmental standards. Whether you're maintaining performance or preventing future repairs, the V7524 combines efficiency, safety, and reliability, an essential tool for anyone serious about vehicle care and emission control.
Accuracy and safety are critical when working with sensitive components, and this torque screwdriver delivers both with German precision. The Wiha TorqueVario-S is engineered to apply exact torque every time, preventing over-tightening and protecting delicate assemblies from damage. Its smart design allows you to set the desired torque, and an audible click confirms the perfect tightness, giving professionals confidence in every fastening task. Ergonomically shaped for comfort, it reduces fatigue during repetitive work, making it ideal for electronics, automotive, and machinery applications. Built from premium materials, this tool is durable, reliable, and efficient, an investment that pays off project after project. For anyone who values precision, speed, and hand comfort, this tool transforms fastening into a safer, smarter, and more consistent process. Tight corners and awkward angles no longer slow you down. The flexible rod principle from Stahlwille is a German innovation designed to reach fasteners that traditional tools simply can't access. Built from high-quality German steel, this system combines strength and durability with the adaptability needed for complex automotive, industrial, and mechanical work. The flexible rod transmits torque efficiently without bending or breaking, ensuring reliable performance under pressure. Its ergonomic design enhances comfort and control, reducing fatigue during repetitive work, making it ideal for electronics, automotive, and machinery applications. Built from premium materials, this tool is durable, reliable, and efficient, an investment that pays off project after project. For anyone who values precision, speed, and hand comfort, this tool transforms fastening into a safer, smarter, and more consistent process.
Precision and strength come together in one compact tool that feels like an extension of your hand. The ROFAST 7-inch pliers wrench is German-engineered to combine the gripping power of pliers with the smooth adjustment of a wrench, making it versatile enough for plumbing, mechanical repairs, and tight space applications. Its ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during long jobs, while the finely designed jaws grip, twist, and hold nuts, bolts, and pipes securely without slipping. The adjustment mechanism ensures perfect alignment every time, giving professionals confidence in their work. Compact yet durable, this wrench is built to last and designed for maximum efficiency. Whether you're tackling everyday maintenance or complex repairs, it simplifies tricky tasks, saves time, and delivers reliable results. It's a must-have tool for anyone who values comfort, control, and precision.
Comfort and control redefine the way you work. The KS Tool's PERFECTGRIP is a German-engineered hand tool designed to eliminate slippage and reduce fatigue, even during long or repetitive tasks. Its unique ergonomic handle fits naturally in your hand, delivering maximum grip with minimal effort. Precision edges and durable construction ensure reliable performance across a wide range of applications, from tightening nuts and bolts to detailed mechanical work. What sets this tool apart is its balance of strength and finesse, allowing you to apply just the right amount of force every time. Built to last and crafted for professionals, the PERFECTGRIP transforms everyday tasks into smoother, faster, and more accurate work. For anyone who values comfort, efficiency, and precision, this small investment has a big impact.
Cleaning delicate surfaces no longer has to mean sacrificing effectiveness. The Vigor Walnut Jet Cleaner harnesses walnut shell blasting technology to remove rust, paint, and grime gently yet thoroughly, preserving the integrity of the material underneath. Its precision nozzle targets specific areas with consistent pressure, ensuring even cleaning results every time. Ergonomically designed for comfort, it allows extended use without strain, making it ideal for automotive parts, metal surfaces, and sensitive machinery. Built with German engineering, this professional-grade tool combines efficiency with care, delivering powerful cleaning performance while maintaining control. Whether you're restoring components or preparing surfaces for finishing, the Walnut Jet Cleaner saves time, reduces frustration, and keeps your work accurate and safe. It's the perfect blend of power, precision, and reliability for demanding cleaning tasks. Efficiency in the workshop takes a leap forward with a tool that blends traditional strength and modern precision. The HybridPower is German engineered to combine the reliability of manual tools with the smart performance of battery-driven technology. Designed for both heavy-duty and delicate tasks, it delivers smooth, consistent force whether you're tightening, loosening, or cutting. Its ergonomic grip and balanced design reduce strain, making repetitive mechanical work faster and more comfortable. Built from premium materials, this hybrid mechanism ensures durability and precision in every movement, giving professionals confidence in demanding applications. Compact yet powerful, it adapts seamlessly to a wide range of tasks, saving time and boosting productivity. Once you experience the HybridPower, standard tools feel outdated. It's a smarter, safer, and more enjoyable way to work.
Stubborn, rusted, or damaged nuts don't have to slow you down anymore. The Kukko K54B mechanical nut splitter set is engineered in Germany to remove problem fasteners quickly and safely without harming surrounding hardware. Its mechanical design applies controlled pressure exactly where it's needed, breaking through even the toughest nuts with precision. No hammers, torches, or excessive force required, just a reliable, well-built tool that gets the job done. The set includes multiple sizes to cover a wide range of nut diameters, making it versatile enough for automotive, industrial, and mechanical applications. Durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the smart design saves time and reduces frustration on every project. For professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, this nut splitter set is efficiency and safety combined, keeping your work moving smoothly and stress-free. Struggling with stuck gears, bearings, or pulleys? The Kukko 43-1 Universal 2-Jaw Puller makes removing them effortless. This German-engineered hand tool is built for precision and strength, allowing you to apply controlled pulling force without damaging parts. Its two adjustable jaws grip tightly and evenly, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, from automotive repairs to industrial maintenance. The central screw mechanism ensures smooth, controlled operation, so you can remove components safely and efficiently. Lightweight yet incredibly sturdy, the Kukko 43-1 is a must-have for anyone who works with mechanical assemblies. It's one of those tools that once you try, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it, saving both time and headaches on tricky jobs. The Marder Seacom 370 is German-engineered to combine comfort, precision, and maximum safety in one compact tool. Its ergonomic design fits naturally in your hand, reducing strain during long shifts, while the automatic blade retraction ensures the blade is only exposed when cutting, drastically reducing the risk of accidents. Built for versatility, it slices through cardboard, shrink wrap, and other packaging materials effortlessly, keeping the workflow smooth and efficient. Blade changes are quick and tool-free, minimizing downtime and keeping productivity high. Durable construction guarantees long-lasting performance, even in demanding warehouse or workshop environments.
For professionals and everyday users alike, this cutter delivers safety, reliability, and efficiency in every cut, a small tool with a big impact on comfort and productivity.
Performance, comfort, and dependability define German craftsmanship, and these 10 tools clearly show it. Whether you're working in a shop, garage, or out on the job site, each one is made to streamline tasks and improve results. Bring them into your toolkit and see firsthand how the proper tools can make your work not just easier, but better.